I'm gonna grab the last of the purple. Hey guys, it's Billy.
And Pat.
And we are making Easter eggs today. Ooh. We are dyeing them with the Paws Golden Shimmer. And on Long Island, we pronounce that pause.
Pause. Okay, let's get this thing started. What are we doing here, Billy?
Okay, grab a bunch of cups and we're gonna put a tablet in each.
Okay. How many colors do we have?
Everything should have a perforated rip spot. But when it doesn't, oh, it's actually not that hard. Okay, we're gonna pop a color in each. We get the vinegar. Do a tablespoon of vinegar in each of those. Oh no! Well, there's another one. Get another one.
Bonus! It gets the bonus red cup. Is it the red one?
For red. Ooh, I love the smell of vinegar. I love pickles and olives and all of that stuff.
Literally my worst, most hated foods.
So let's just get these going.
Okay. We're getting our colors going. Do these have to completely dissolve before we put the water in?
Have to completely dissolve.
Easter is so boring.
Can you hear that?
Is this Easter ASMR? Then the Easter bunny's gonna hop, hop, hop right into your basket.
This is red, so is this one.
Are you going into like OCD mode and you're putting them in Roy G. Biv order?
Where's the yellow? So maybe it was...
Or maybe one is pink. No, there's pink, there's no yellow. There's pink and pink, red, orange, green,
pink,
blue.
yellow. So they don't want you to have a rainbow.
Topical. Pause, we're gonna have to have a talk.
This is taking so long that I made myself a cup of tea. Hot. Hot, 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 hot.
You're having a lot of struggles over there.
Give me that water, I'm gonna fill these up.
Yes, sir, okay. Fill it up to the second line, you said?
Yep. Eggs are ready to be dyed.
Oh my gosh, and we saved the tray, as you do, to put the dyed eggs in.
I guess I'm just gonna go the whole way in.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Here's a question. How come when you get these egg dye kits, Paws, you only get one dipper? Don't you know that this is a family event?
When I picked this up, I saw that they have accessories you can add on.
Oh, there it is. Mm-hmm.
They have cups too you can buy separately that are smaller, so it kind of holds the egg a little better. These are fine though.
Yeah. What were the like candies that you always hoped the Easter Bunny would bring you?
Oh, I love Peeps. I know there's a lot of Peep haters out there. What is with you? It's a marshmallow with sugar on it.
I don't like marshmallows really.
No, but you always eat the eyes first.
Okay, that's normal.
What about you?
Oh, Reese's peanut butter eggs. That's it. Just give me a pack of those. Doesn't even need to be in a basket.
Okay, we're gonna pull these out and then you're gonna put the next ones in. But
okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 left, so you're gonna have to pick carefully. I'd say don't do the pink unless...
Okay, well, you know what? Don't discriminate against any colors. Also, I think the thing you thought was orange, I think that is yellow.
Oh, maybe.
Oh God, this, be careful.
See?
Oh, eggs, great.
They look good.
Put them back down. Okay, so while these dry, I'm just gonna start another batch going,
yeah.
Yes?
Okay. And I'm gonna dry the other ones while you do that.
Oh, okay, bringing out the big guns. All right, I did yellow for sure. So while we're waiting for these to dry, what do we need to do? How do we do the glitter?
So we're gonna dye each of these twice, which we're halfway through. Where are the little brushes? You got them over there.
They're right over here.
These look like they'll make this take much longer than it needs to.
Here is one strand of hair on a toothpick.
I can count the bristles on this. So be aware that we have a gold, pink, teal, and blue paint.
Yes!
I'm gonna do this purple one with the teal glitter on it. I think it'll look nice.
I think that's gonna look real nice. And I think I'm gonna do the broken one with the...
That's my favorite color! I just told you it's my favorite color. Should we paint the whole thing or should we like tape it off and like do like a dip?
Who do you think you are, Michelangelo? We ain't no taping no eggs for this shimmer paint. This looks like it's like a gold-leafed egg. Like a rich person's egg.
Does it?
Yes. If you were like really far away from it and you had bad eyes.
This one was really ugly, I'm sorry.
Ew, it is pretty bad. What happened?
I don't know. it's gonna be like mossy, like it's rotting.
It's gutted.
Ew, no, it looks
Rotted.
like it's like boogers.
Boogers. We just watched Drag Race.
Oh my gosh, it really looks like boogers. Well, we did it! Except for the booger one and the one that I threw across the room and just decided we'll eat it.
Yeah, I would rate this a medium time.
Yeah, medium.
Medium.
I had a good time with you though.
Okay, well, thanks for dyeing eggs with us. We hope that you also had a medium or higher time. Make sure that you leave your comments on this video, like, subscribe, all that business, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
And they lived in Glen Cove on Long Island. That's where Ashanti's from.
Did Ashanti show up at this Easter story?
No!
If not, then I don't really know why this is relevant.
Am I allowed to talk about Ashanti or not? Ask the world.